Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming firmware and freeing storage. You need a PC and a micro SD reader to move files. Once done, back up your current theme and saves to avoid permanent loss. You'll also install any required homebrew prerequisites now, make sure your switch is charged, and in airplane mode during transfers. These first steps establish a safe baseline so later replacements won't brick the system or overwrite important data. Next, you install a theme manager via your homebrew loader and place theme packages into the correct folder on the micro SD. This is where many errors happen, so follow naming exactly. Once the files are on the card, launch the theme manager, preview themes, and apply the one you want. It writes necessary system resources safely. Make sure to verify checksum and compatibility. If a theme fails to load, remove it and test a different one to isolate the issue. To finish, reboot your switch so the system registers the new assets and confirm everything displays correctly. You should keep a stock theme backup on the micro SD for quick emergency restore. If something goes wrong, graphics glitches, crashes, or boot loops, restore that backup immediately, then check file locations, file name case, and firmware compatibility before retrying. One key troubleshooting tip: if a boot loop occurs, power down, remove the micro SD.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.